Transferring money from a gift card to a PayPal account can be a convenient way to utilize your gift card balance for online purchases or send money to friends and family. To begin, you will need a PayPal account and a gift card with a balance. First, ensure your gift card is eligible for transfer to PayPal. Not all gift cards can be used, so check the terms and conditions of your specific card. Most major brand gift cards such as Amazon, Target, or Walmart are eligible. Next, go to the PayPal website and log into your account. Click on the Wallet tab and select Link a Card or Bank. Choose the option to link a debit or credit card and enter your gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once your gift card is linked, you can transfer the balance to your PayPal account. To do this, go to the Wallet tab and click on Transfer Money. Select the gift card you just linked as the source of the funds and choose the PayPal account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer, which must be less than or equal to the gift card balance. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. The funds should now be available in your PayPal account. It is essential to note that some gift cards may have a fee for transfer, so be sure to check the terms and conditions before initiating the transfer. Additionally, the transfer process may take a few days to complete, depending on the gift card issuer and PayPal. In summary, transferring money from a gift card to a PayPal account is a straightforward process that requires you to link your gift card to your PayPal account and then initiate the transfer. Always review the terms and conditions of your gift card before transfer and be aware of any potential fees. By following these steps, you can easily utilize your gift card balance for online transactions or send money to others using PayPal.